What you guys doing? Morning. It smells good. I wish I had smell-o-vision. So we're preparing for our March what?
Monthly breakfast?
Our monthly our March monthly breakfast, and the topic today is the 3 things seniors should know about the new 2018 tax law. And I'm currently writing some of those things out, and I'm going to create an article, I think, that I'm going to put in the papers for maybe March, beginning April, because I think tax are due by, so April 15th. So I'll run an article too, just summarizing some of my research. And we're getting ready for our clients to come in for a breakfast, which should be fun. It's going to be fun. Can't wait to talk about tax law. So I'm writing an article on the new tax laws for 2018. And believe it or not, it's pretty interesting. 3 points you should know about the new 2018 tax laws seniors should know. And a lot of it's about taxable Social Security, combined income, which is a formula unto itself. So Saturday was an awesome morning and day. Got to do a little CrossFit workout after our client breakfast, but we did our monthly client breakfast on Saturday, which went really well. It was a great discussion. You know, I had done some research on the new tax law changes, wrote a short article that we put out on the blog this week. But really, I'll tell you what's most special about it is that I have a wife who supports me and is on the same page as me. So she did shopping for the breakfast the night before, and then came in, and her and Hayden, she really spearheaded it. Hayden helped prepare the breakfast for our clients while I was writing things and doing things, getting ready for the client breakfast. So it makes things so much easier for me having a partner, a wife who's a great friend, and also we're on the same page. You know, we're working for the same goal, which is to help people and raise a family, right? Raise our children. So you know, work contributes to that. So anyway, I'm glad we're on the same page. Thanks, Stef. Right, casseroles?
No. Are you going to take me live right now?
Yes. You're not live.
No, I love casseroles. I just think we got everything down pat today.
What do you mean everything done pat? How'd you think the client breakfast went today?
It went very well.
Right. We had a great turnout.
You did?
And then you did spray the yard with Roundup, or the office outside the office with Roundup. This is my new yard worker, maintenance man. You did a great job cooking. Thank you for helping me this morning. Seriously. What do you think we could do better next time?
I don't know. It went really well. And you had a full house, you know, for the number of people that we planned for, and plenty of food, and people seemed happy with it. So lots of good information.
We got to pick next month's topic, so stay tuned for next month's topic and contact our